3rd of March, and I am going to attempt to vlog my day again, but hopefully today should be a bit more eventful because this weekend is actually packed with loads of stuff. Today's Annabelle's birthday, and then tomorrow is Food Expo, so there's a lot going on this weekend, so hopefully it should give me the motivation to keep vlogging. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys my DIY. This is a wine bottle that I'm going to customize for her. This is a wine bottle I'm going to customize for her because she basically said she likes wine in her last birthday gift video that she did for the 24th. And I'm also going to do a wine glass. I'll show you guys how it turns out once I'm done. So this is the wine glass. It's not exactly how I'd love it to turn out, but we'll see. Vlogging with my camera is so annoying because it's so massive, and I use a Canon D3300 and it doesn't have autofocus, and I can't actually see what you're seeing right now. I just hope for the best whenever I'm vlogging, so it's a bit annoying, but I'm not going to keep putting off vlogging for when I get a better camera. I'm just going to start with what I have. So this is me in the kitchen. This is the wine bottle that I'm using the wine bottle to dry. I think it looks okay like that. I'm just going to put a little finishing touches when I'm done. I wanted to actually go with rose gold because it's rosé, so I want it to be like rose gold rosé, but yeah, that plan isn't going to happen. So I'm just going to try and make breakfast. I predict that I'm going to be very late for church, which is really bad. God will forgive me, but I need to eat and I need to sort out a few stuff. I'm actually going to my brother's school as well today. He has this thing there and he asked us to bring a few things, and yeah, I need to take that to him. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we're on our way to church now. The service started like an hour ago, and it takes us another 20 minutes to 30 minutes to get to church, you know. But Jesus loves a sinner.
We're praying,
so it's all good. Okay, Ellen, you're late to church. Okay, so we're done from church now, heading to Honest school. The service, I won't say the service is still on. It's like church and business. Yeah. Okay, so we're at our first pickup place, KFC. Yeah. Because Barnett always has KFC on visiting day. And I introduced him to the donut factory, so now he also has donut factory. So we're going to pick this up and then go to the donut factory and then make it to his school before 2:30. Hey guys, so we're on our way to Bella's party finally. Do I look good? I'm wearing coffee stitches by the way. can't pronounce. But I'm so excited. Oh my god, can you guys see that bouncy castle? No, you can't see it. But it's a bouncy castle, and I think it's my Annabelle's birthday.
Hey, babe.
Okay, so we just got back from Bella's party. As you can see, I'm taking out my hair because it was giving me a headache. And she has like this really cool,
the content was my,
which I'll show you guys when I get home. But yeah, she's leaving now. So
juices. It will be. I'll see you like tomorrow.
yeah, thanks for coming. Okay, we're ready to go to the food expo thingy now. All dressed up. My room is in a mess. Like, forgive me, it's always in a mess whenever we're getting ready. So this is what I'm wearing. I got this top from Romery. My pants are Cafe Stitches and choker from New Look. Ellen, I'm waiting for you.
Wow.
Just have to put you on the spot there.
I've been very single.
No, you haven't.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what bag?
Oh, you see? I've been really single.
Should I hold this one? No, this will definitely now be too much.
Oh, really? There's too much.
This bag. Yeah.
There's too much. This matter?
Our room is in the States. This one. Chibuzo just called me to tell me that it's still too early to be going. He just spoke to his friend Toby and yeah, basically he said we're going to be very early, but because of daylight and because I want to show you guys around like what it looks like, I'm just gonna go early now. It's 4:18 by the way, and this is an event that started at 12. Like, I don't even understand why people just set the event for 12. Nobody in Abuja is going to come. Just say it starts. No, but they say it starts by 5. People come like 8. So, anyways,
Timing is good. They should stick to it.
for interviews, like people will stick to timing for interviews, and
People don't stick to time for interviews.
well, they should.
Yeah,
If not, they shouldn't get the job.
Exactly. That's why.
But then you wouldn't hire anyone.
No, trust us. And she's like, oh, fair, ready and everything. Blogger behavior as usual.
So my first purchase for today, red velvet cake from Kes Cake. From Kes Cake. That's them, guys. So I'm gonna tell you guys about this present. You guys know Clears from Christmas, the guy that everybody thought was my boyfriend. I just met him, vlogged as well. Hopefully by the end of this day, I will use Instagram and go to take care.
Don't worry, just come and get your pump wine. So right,
And then this is Topware.
it's not just Food Expo 2018.
Hello Topware.
Yeah, he's taking alcohol.
No, this is lemonade.
Yeah, sure.
Naka lemonade now. Guys, see who's here.
Of those last 12 o'clock last Exactly. So please make your way down here.
Mom,
Get your Hennessy, get your Coke.
everyone is literally here.
500. Let's talk a bit. What else
We
do
didn't
you
make it to
have?
Food Expo.
What else do you have?
And this is, I didn't get her name, Aisha. This is Aisha. She's so friendly. Like, this is the kind of customer service in Nigeria. Yeah, I'm just buying this one. I'm buying 6. She's not, I'm going to probably be using this for like the whole week. How long can they last?
They last. I've kept them for a week and they're still good. The only thing is, if you don't cover them, they end up because they're moist and getting drier. So what?
At the milk shop, yeah?
Yes, the milk.
Is that you? Dot underscore?
Yeah. This is my first coming. This is my card.
Okay.
And you get a free cookie.
Oh my god!
I lost my.
Oh. Get ice cream from Creamy Cone. We've been here already. Ellen is just basking in the glory of that pan. Boyfriend is finally here. So this is how you just come, you would have informed me, you just creep in and see the other person in your life like she will die. Alright, so that's so big, picking up his game.
Music at a sound.
Think about it, it's about a truck like a start. Remember, happy red diner. If you get any meal, you can get some of the drinks.
vlogging yet, but the camera is blinking red, so before it dies I'm just going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If there's more after now, I would insert it as an extra, but if not, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed going through my weekend with me. This is me saying goodbye.